Want to create cool designs without the hassle of Photoshop? Adobe Firefly can create images, effects, and even videos just from text. Let's discuss. Introduction to Adobe Firefly, Adobe's AI creative tool. Designed for designers, creators, marketers, and even businesses. Adobe Firefly. Key features 1. Text-to-image. Create illustrations, paintings, and visual concepts. 2. Text effects. Create artistic 3D text, glowing text, graffiti, and more. 3. Generative fill. Automatically edit photos, add or remove objects. 4. Text-to-video, new. Generate motion from descriptions. 5. All results are licensed securely, can be used for advertising, branding, and more. Firefly's advantages over other AI tools. Commercial license, safe for brands and businesses. Integrated with Photoshop, Illustrator, and Premiere. More consistent results than Mid-Journey Stable Diffusion. Adobe Firefly, one of the best visual creator solution of 2025. Encourage your audience to try it and share their experiences. If you want to see all about AI tools, click subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss